In today's video, I will share with you homemade probiotic drink also known as Kvass or Kanji. It is basically a fermented drink using vegetables and it is mostly popular in India. It also improves the digestion system and works as a immunity booster, also helps in weight loss. So without any further ado, let's start the video. I have taken here 2 medium sized beetroots. I have already washed these in the running water. Make sure to remove any dirt or dust on the surface of the beetroot because we are not going to peel the skin of the beetroot. So make sure to wash these properly. Now cut the root and the leaf part from the beetroot, and now take one of the beetroot and cut it into thin slices or the longer slices according to your preference. I am going to cut it into smaller pieces as you have seen here. Once I will done cutting all of the pieces, I will show you. So here I have done cutting all the beetroot pieces. Now into the pan add 1 cup of water and then add the slice of the beetroots. The reason of boiling the beetroots here is so that the smell of the beetroot and the earthy smell is removed. If you don't want, you can totally skip that step. Now you have to boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, switch off the gas and then let it cool down completely. To prepare this drink, only use the glass jar, or if you are in India, you can use the mud pot. Now add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. This is yellow crushed mustard, and 1 teaspoon of crushed black mustard or rye, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of black salt or pink salt, half teaspoon of regular salt, and then add the boiled beetroot water with the beetroot. After adding the beetroot and the beetroot water, now add 4 cups of water. If you are using the tap water, make sure to boil and cool it and then use it. And if you are using the purified water, then you can directly use it. Now give it a quick mix. So the salt mix into the water. Now take a cotton or muslin cloth, cover the neck of the bottle and then cover it with the lid. Now place the jar into the sunlight or into the warm place for 4 to 5 days, and every day you have to stir it, and then I will show you on 5th day. Today is the 5th day that I have fermented the kanji water, the beetroot drink. Open the lid and I will show you how it is perfectly fermented. I have already stirred it with a spoon, so that's why you are not able to see the proper fermentation, but it is done. You can see white part when you are open it and not stirring it. Now give it a quick mix and you will smell the tangy and the pickly smell of this, and this is perfectly done as you can see by the pieces also. Now take a separate glass jar and remove the water from the beetroot pieces. I am using the strainer, but that is totally optional. I like it that way. And rest of the ingredients I will show you what we are going to do once you have strained all the juice. You might have a question what you are going to do with the beetroot pieces. So remove the beetroot pieces into the plate and then add the strained mixture, half of the mixture, and half of the mixture I am going to mix it again into the water, and now you can use it as a salad or as a side dish. So here is the beetroot kanji is ready to drink. You can serve it cold and take it half glass every day with your meal, before or after according to your preference. It will help to improve the digestion system, and you will notice after you are taking it every day, you can store this into the refrigerator for 7 to 8 days into the glass jar, and you can store this salad into the glass container. Same way, whenever you want it, you can use it. And in this festive season, you can drink this probiotic healthy beetroot kanji and enjoy with your friends and family. And if you like this easy recipe of beetroot kanji, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.